If you've ever dreamed of crafting rich, bold, and authentic Italian or Cuban espresso in the comfort of your own home, this Primula Classic Stovetop Espresso and Coffee Maker is here to make that dream a reality. Forget spending your hard-earned money on pricey cafe espressos. With this compact and easy-to-use Moka pot, you can create delicious espresso drinks without leaving your kitchen. From cappuccinos to Cuban coffee, this versatile espresso maker allows you to bring a taste of the world's best coffee culture right to your stovetop. In this review, we'll dive deep into what makes this coffee maker a must-have for any coffee enthusiast, how it compares to traditional electric espresso machines, and why it's a perfect addition for home baristas and travelers alike. Why choose the Primula Classic Stovetop Espresso Maker? The Primula Classic Stovetop Espresso Maker stands out for its simplicity, durability, and ability to brew rich, flavorful espresso in just a few minutes. Let's take a closer look at its key features. 1. Café-quality espresso at home. Imagine the aroma of freshly brewed espresso filling your kitchen every morning. With the Primula Espresso Maker, you can craft 6 perfect demitasse servings of espresso, Cuban coffee, or Italian-style coffee with minimal effort. This Moka pot brews rich, smooth, and bold espresso that rivals your favorite cafe's offerings, making it an excellent choice for those who appreciate authentic espresso flavors. The versatility of this coffee maker means you can craft a variety of beverages, from lattes and cappuccinos to Americanos and mocha-style coffee, giving you endless possibilities to customize your coffee experience. 2. Simple and user-friendly design. One of the best things about the Primula Classic is its ease of use. If you've been intimidated by the complexity of electric espresso machines, this stovetop espresso maker is a game changer. It requires no electricity or complicated settings. Just fill the lower chamber with water, add ground coffee to the filter, and place it on your stovetop. Within minutes, you'll hear the satisfying bubbling sound of your espresso brewing, filling your home with a tantalizing aroma. Pro tip: always position the handle away from direct heat to avoid damage and ensure a comfortable grip when pouring. 3. Durable cast aluminum build. The Primula Espresso Maker is carefully crafted with durable, long-lasting cast aluminum. This material not only provides excellent heat distribution, ensuring your coffee is brewed evenly and thoroughly, but it also gives the coffee maker a classic, polished look. Its sleek, silver finish complements any kitchen decor and can be a stylish addition to your countertop. Additionally, the flip-top lid, heat-resistant knob, and handle make this espresso maker safe and easy to use, even on high-heat settings. 4. Safety features for worry-free brewing. Safety is key when dealing with high-pressure brewing. Thankfully, the Primula Stovetop Espresso Maker is equipped with a built-in safety release valve that controls the pressure within the chamber. This ensures that the brewing process is smooth and safe, giving you peace of mind while you make your espresso. No need to worry about overpressurization. This coffee maker's safety features ensure a perfect, stress-free espresso every time. 5. Perfect for coffee on the go. Whether you're planning a camping trip, a weekend getaway, or just love your coffee outdoors, the Primula Classic Stovetop Espresso Maker is portable and versatile. It works efficiently on gas, electric, ceramic, and propane stovetops, making it a fantastic companion for coffee lovers who love adventure. The compact size makes it easy to pack and carry, so you'll never have to miss out on your espresso fix, no matter where you are. 6. Easy to clean and maintain. No one wants to spend more time cleaning than necessary. The Primula Classic Espresso Maker is easy to clean. Just rinse it with warm water, dry it thoroughly, and reassemble. There's no need for harsh detergents, and regular care will ensure your coffee maker stays in great condition for years to come. The main advantage of the Primula Classic Stovetop Espresso Maker over electric espresso machines is its simplicity and affordability. While electric machines can be bulky, expensive, and require constant maintenance, the Primula Espresso Maker offers an affordable, straightforward, and portable option for crafting high-quality espresso at home or on the go. It may not have the fancy settings of electric machines, but its rich flavor, ease of use, and versatility make it a strong contender in the world of espresso makers. Is it worth it? Final thoughts. If you love the idea of making your own espresso, but don't want to deal with the complexity of an electric machine, the Primula Classic Stovetop Espresso and Coffee Maker is an excellent choice. Its classic design, durable build, and ability to craft rich, cafe-quality espresso make it a must-have for any coffee lover. Whether you're a seasoned barista or just starting your coffee journey, this stovetop espresso maker is versatile, reliable, and easy to use. It allows you to experiment with different coffee styles and brew exactly the way you like it. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.